Hey guys, vlog time!
I am gonna tell you what I was doing today. It got a big mess. So I made a video of that, and that video got so mess. I made it on my sister's mobile phone, which had a little bit bad quality than my one. So it was so much poop. So let me just show you what happened. Oh my god. So let me just tell you the story. My mother bought a Lakme's lipstick in 2010s, and when she bought it, she used it a lot because she was newly married, because she was she married in her marriage was in 2005, so she bought it in these kind of days, I think before 2010 only. So it got finished because she loved lipstick at that time. So it finished, and that lip container was still here, so it was having a little bit of lipstick. So this is the lipstick down part. What I did, I just removed the lipstick and in it, and I tried to make the flower lip balm from that 5-minute crafts DIY by seeing it. And what I did, I made it very successful. It was looking like so nice, and it was like in liquid because I have just poured it, so it was not hardened. And because I was holding the cup in which I melted the lip balm so by a towel, because it will hurt me because it was so hot. So that towel touched that container, and it just fold, and everything got mess. Let me just show you. This thing here got a big mess. Why? Because I told you. Oh my god, why am I saying why? And then it was looking like this. So I just took a kind of a spoon, and I just did it like this, and I thought that it will be all fine. I will just take it in, but it got hardened by so bad luck, and then it got like this. So yeah guys, what can I do? That's my problem. Oh my god. Then I trying to create that lipstick which I shown you. This is the lipstick color, and it is in the shade plum pouch, and I trying to melt that lipstick and pour it back, and I poured it in the Nivea Sparkle lip balm, which has got almost finished, and it also got a big what we say as poop. Let me just show you. This is a lip balm, and it got like this because it was like really less. And then when I apply it, it does like this. See? Oh my god! So this is the reason why I am so super duper not happy with it. Yeah, guys. And if you have not seen my outfit that I'm wearing, I'm wearing this crop top and this cape for today because summer has came. I started wearing summer clothes. Yeah. So hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below that which video do you want to see the next, and just bye bye.